Alright, so today we have a 2018 Toyota Tacoma, and we've installed the Entune 3 Carplay head unit in this Tacoma using one of our transplant adapters, our Entune 2.0 to Entune 3.0 transplant adapters, and you'll notice that the clock isn't working, and the reason for this is that the Entune 3.0 head units use the GPS antenna to set the clock. This truck does not have a GPS antenna, and so we have the option of either buying an antenna, a GPS antenna, and plugging it in, or we can bypass the GPS function to set the clock, and that's what I'm going to show you here. Okay, so what we do is we hold in the audio button and then flick the lights off and on 3 times. And it brings up this diagnostic menu, and then we went to function check setting, and then GPS check, I believe, time setting, and then we were able to set the time in here. And so you can set the time and the date and go through and do whatever you need to do there. And then we turn the truck off, and then when it loads back up, it showed the time, but the time wasn't correct, which it's correct now. But then to set the clock on here, we could then go into the setting menu and set the clock through this down here. If you have other questions, or you'd like to install one of these Entune 3.0 head units in your Toyota vehicle, you can contact us at inquiry@autoharnesshouse.com or view the purchase and information page at autoharnesshouse.com/intune.html. I'll put a link in the description. That's all we've got for today. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'd also like to take a minute to recommend our vehicle wiring and compatibility database, where you'll find vehicle-specific parts that we recommend for your car for installing aftermarket head units, as well as speaker adapters and other components. The link for that page is autoharnesshouse.com/mycar. Take care, everybody.